Howdy YouTube, here with a little quick tip on how to keep your breakaway cable and your electric, your pigtail for your lights and all that stuff on your trailer from dragging the ground a little bit, if it's a little longer. And that is, use one of these hitch pins that have the keeper on it, and like, especially if you have one of these things. I mean, they have that little ball to keep it in there, but I don't trust those, so get rid of that. Use the normal one with a keeper and stick it through your hole there. But before you latch it, just put your pigtail in and your breakaway cable, latch it, and look, that'll keep them up off the ground. No dragging. Those chains are barely, they're like 2 inches off the ground. That's good enough for this for. But little quick tip: no more destroying your pigtails and breakaway cables. So hope that helps you guys, and until next time, stay crazy. Have a good one, people.